Eid Mubarak in advance, guys. Chand Raat Mubarak. And it's Eid. We all know, we all are happy. Friday is our Eid, inshallah. And today is Chand Raat, so we are going to apply mehndi in our hands. I'm very happy. And this year, this arrangement of mehndi is upon me. I'm going to apply mehndi on my hand, my sister Nuba's hand, in my sister Marnia's hand, and also my mom's hand. I'm very happy. I will try my best to give the best mehndi to all of our hands, and I'm little afraid because I'm not a professional mehndi designer, so I will try my best, and I'm very happy. Chand Raat Mubarak. Today is Chand Raat. Chand Raat Mubarak, everyone. Tomorrow is our Eid. Eid Mubarak in advance. So guys, I tied my hair because I'm going to apply mehndi in all of our hands, and I'm very happy. We have started our dancing and countdown. We are countdowning the hours for Eid. I'm very happy. I'm very excited for Eid. I'm dancing. Okay, I'm very excited for Eid, and I'm going to apply mehndi. I'm nervous little bit, but it's okay, I can do it. Yes, wish me luck. Eid Mubarak once again in advance. Now I'm going to apply mehndi on her hand. I'm very excited. Okay, I'm going to apply, and when it is, I will done half, I will show you. So get ready to watch it. Oh. Guys, I am giving mehndi in her hand.
Ouch. I have chicken.
Let's see how does it looks like at the end. I'm giving. And she's also very happy. Let's see what happens at the end. Guys,
what happened on...
Guys, I have applied mehndi on her hand. Guys, I have applied mehndi on her hand. Guys, I have applied mehndi in Nuba's hand. Then Marnia is going to come. Then I'm going to apply in Marnia's hand, and after that in my hand. Obviously, it's Eid. I'm very happy. Guys, I have applied mehndi in Nuba's hand. Guys, now I'm going to apply mehndi in my hand. And I have already applied mehndi in Nuba's hand. And suddenly it comes that I called to Marnia to come in our home in second floor from fourth floor. But she told that she has already given mehndi to her hand, and she has seen us, she has shown us how did she give, my chachi give mehndi in her hand. Now I'm going to apply mehndi, and it's a bit easy for me because she has already applied, so no need of tension of giving her mehndi. Because if you like our mehndi, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and because it's Eid, please give me Eid. If you want to give me Eid, please subscribe to my channel, please, yeah, please.
And click the bell icon.
Yes, click the bell icon. And now I'm going to start my mehndi. And guys, I told you that today is Wednesday. That means Thursday is Chand Raat, and today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Chand Raat, and tomorrow we are going to practice our dance rehearsal. Guys, today is Wednesday. That means and our special Eid is on Friday. So tomorrow, Thursday, is Chand Raat, and I'm applying mehndi on Wednesday. But it is almost Thursday because it's 12 a.m. So Chand Raat Mubarak in advance, and Eid Mubarak in advance. So get ready, apply mehndi, and Marnia has already applied all of all of my friends and relatives have already applied mehendi today. So right now I'm going to apply and then I'm going to sleep, and tomorrow I'm going to wake up and practice dancing with my sisters. Guys, now I'm going to apply mehendi, and here is my mehendi. Let's do it. And stop. Guys, I have given mehendi. I am going to long it still this, and look at it. So I'm giving right now. Guys, if you like my mehendi, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, please yaar. If you want to give me, guys, this is my mehendi. Now after sometimes I am going to apply mehendi in my next hand, in my another hand. Guys, I have applied mehendi in my hand, and right now I'm going to apply in my right hand. And today, because it is Wednesday, I'm going to apply on my both back hands, and tomorrow, that is Thursday, that is Chandrat, I am going to apply mehendi on my front hands, and on Friday it's Eid, we are going to enjoy a lot. Guys, I am giving mehendi. Come face to the आगे हाथ तो दिखाओ. Guys, this is my mehendi, and I have applied my back hand mehendi. I'm very happy, and tomorrow, that is Thursday, that is Chandrat, I'm going to apply in my front hands, but I'm very happy of applying in my back hands. Look at it. Pretty. If you like my mehendi, so hit the like button, and if you want to give me Eid on Eid day, please subscribe to my channel. Eid Mubarak. Guys, welcome back. I have given mehendi in my front hand, and today is Thursday. That means today is Chandrat. Now I am going to apply in this hand. Guys, look at my mehendi. Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak, everyone! Actually, it's Chandrat Mubarak, but just we got the news from TV that tomorrow is Eid, tomorrow is Friday, and tomorrow is Eid. We are dancing. We just have iftar and we have offer salat, and we are dancing, and me, Marni, and Nuba are practicing dancing. Then we are going to go to our roof and enjoy with firecrackers. Eid Mubarak! Now we are going to our roof and enjoy with firecrackers and with our special dance. And we are going to dance on our Eid day, that is tomorrow, Friday.
পোলাও বানালে সেমাই বানালে পোলাও বানালে চাঁদ উঠেছে
ভিডিও কিন্তু হচ্ছে।
সরো বাবা, সাইড থেকে সরো। ভাইয়া একটু যান এখানে শেষ।
Mubarak everyone! Eid Mubarak guys, I just wake up and bath and I'm ready for Eid. Today's Eid. Eid Mubarak Chacha! Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak guys, it's finally Eid. Today's Friday, I'm whole dressed for Eid. I'm very happy. Guys, Eid Mubarak once again, and every year on Eid, all of my chacha chachis came to my home and we all eat together, we have breakfast and then we also go to their home and eat breakfast. We have lots of fun and Zayan Marnia and Chacha has come and Chachi is getting ready and my mom is also getting ready and then we are going to show up our whole dress, our looks and enjoy a lot. Let's go.
Okay.
This is the food for breakfast of Eid. Hello Chacha. Hello Zayan. Now we are going to sit and eat the food. Guys, all of us have eaten the breakfast in our home. Now we are going to our Chacha's house at 4th floor and also my daddy's are in 2nd floor, in 3rd floor, in all the floors. We are going to enjoy a lot. In all Eids, we go to each other's home and eat breakfast and have so much fun. Let's go run. Guys, have you done eating? Come first. Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak! Now we are going to our Chacha Chachi's house. We are having so fun. Hey Cheleta, this boy did not give me Eid. He is 3 months older than me, but he did not give me Eid. It's not right. It's not fair. It's not fair. Guys, now we are going to Chacha's house. Then we are going to eat more foods and then we are going to dance. And look at my mehndi. It's become dark. And Nuba is here. Hi Nuba. Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak! I'm very happy today. Guys, now we are going to our Dadi's home and then at Chacha's home, at Sujan Chacha's house and eat foods, yummy, and enjoy dance.
Mubarak, সবাইকে ঈদের শুভেচ্ছা, ঈদ মুবারক.
Guys, we meet our Dadi. Now we are going to Chacha's house.
ঈদ মুবারক.
Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak! Nuba chale asche. Guys, we have clicked lots of pictures.
We are the photo girls.
We are the selfie queen. And Eid and every party and Eid is incomplete without pictures. Everyone knows.
Here, let me show you.
Edie.
Yes.
Even I got so many Edie. I'm going to show you later. Guys, I'm showing you the food. Yummy foods. These foods are cooked by my chachi, and it looks really yummy and tasty, especially the cake.
আচ্ছা
Guys, we have eaten our food and it was so yummy. My chachi and mom are very good, yummy cooks and cook very yummy food. Now we are going to our daddy's house and some of our more chachas has come. Let's go to meet them. Chachas are eating and daddy's also in my home. Guys, we have lots of fun and now it's 1:30. It's almost 2 p.m. at noon, so and it's really hot, so I'm going to bath again. Every Eid I bath 2 times, one in the morning and another time in the afternoon. So I go and bath and come and talk to you, and we have lots of fun with our chachis. I'm very happy. Guys, so we have taken rest because it's afternoon and today I wake up so early, and then at night my Khalamani is going to come to our home because it's Eid. Of course, we all know we are going to have lots of fun, and tomorrow is day 2 of Eid and day 2 will be also very amazing. And Tanya Lala is going to come to our home and we are going to enjoy a lot at night. Guys, now I'm going to get ready because my Khalamani is coming and they are on the way to come. Friends, I'm ready for celebrating Eid at night. And then now I'm going to apply some lipsticks on my lips, and then I'm going to show you my look and enjoy. Guys, now my Tanya Lala is coming. Only 5 minutes left for their reach in our home. Guys, Tanya Lala and Ayaz Tajka has come. Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak.
daw. Tabi daw. Ay, tabi daw. Tabi daw. Tabi daw.
Guys, this is our food for Eid. So yummy. These foods are made by my mom. This is our dinner. Eid Mubarak, guys. This is our food. Yummy foods. Guys, we have eaten our food. The food was so yummy. And wait, friends. This is not the end of my video. And tomorrow is vlog. Tomorrow is day 2 of Eid. That means second day of Eid. I'm very happy for tomorrow also. So wait for tomorrow video also. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
This is Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of Eid. Eid Mubarak once again. Today is day 2 of Eid. Yesterday was Eid, yesterday was Friday and today is Saturday. And today is day 2 of Eid. And today we are going to our Chachi's house. That means you all know Zayan Marnias, my funny cousin's house. And we are going to enjoy a lot like always. Guys, so I am getting ready. Then I am going to meet you. I'm very happy because the gorgeous dress I am going to wear. Guys, I'm ready for going to our Chachi's house, and I have given the same color nail polish matching to my dress. I'm going to show my dress after some times. My dress and my nail polish. Now we are going to our Chachi's house. Mom is getting ready. She's almost ready. Guys, we have come to our Chachi's house. We have come to Marni and Zayan's home at our Chacha's home. Eid Mubarak! We all of are ready. We just watch ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है.
And I changed my outfit.
We are now trio of our matching, and now we are going to eat our dinner. This is our food. Hello everyone. Hi. We are going to eat. Guys, we have eaten our food and Marnia is eating still. Guys, now we all are going to watch a movie together. We are going to watch a movie together and have fun. Guys, this was of my video. We have eat, we have had fun, and today in the afternoon we have danced a lot, but I didn't shoot that time, and because my phone battery was dead. So guys, this was of my video. If you like my video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Eid Mubarak, Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak once again, and if you want to give me the, please subscribe to my channel. Eid Mubarak, bye.